Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins from cake mix. This incredibly easy method lets you turn any standard boxed cake mix into a batch of delightful muffins with minimal effort. You only need to add a couple of common ingredients to the dry mix, making it a perfect solution for a quick treat. It's a fantastic way to enjoy fresh baked goods without the fuss of measuring many different components. Let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one standard boxed cake mix, typically around 25 ounces. To this, you'll add 2 large eggs and 1 cup of milk. For an even richer and moister muffin, I highly recommend incorporating 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. These few additions are all it takes to create a perfect muffin batter from your favorite cake mix. Now let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare your muffin tin by lining it with paper liners or greasing each cup thoroughly. In a large bowl, combine the cake mix, eggs, milk, and optional oil. Mix everything until it's just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Then, spoon the batter into your prepared muffin cups, filling each one about 2/3 full. It's almost time to enjoy your delicious muffins. Bake them for 18 to 22 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Feel free to stir in additions like chocolate chips or fresh berries before baking. Once baked, let them cool on a wire rack for a few minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.